everyone! The Winter Olympic Games are on right now, and I'm really enjoying watching figure skating. It made me want to create my own little ice show. And for that, I have 3 vintage Skating Star dolls from 1995 and 1996. I absolutely love Barbies from that era. Let's carefully unbox them and take a closer look. The first doll is the special edition Walmart Skating Star Barbie from 1995. The back has such a beautiful photo of Barbie skating on the ice. Let's carefully take her out of the box. She's so cute and beautiful. And she has gorgeous blonde hair. She also has the cutest little pink bow on her head. Her outfit is beautiful, with sparkly details, snowflakes, and white faux fur trim. And of course, she comes with these white figure skates. Next up is Teresa Skating Star from 1995. There's also a picture of the dolls skating on the ice on the back of the box. She's so pretty, and I love her lilac eyes. Her brown hair is gorgeous, and she also has a pink bow. She's wearing the same stunning skating outfit, and she comes with white skates too. And the third one is Skating Star Barbie from 1996. The back of the box is different on this one. It doesn't have a photo of the doll, but it has a skater's quiz and a medal. She's so beautiful. She has light blonde hair pulled up into a high ponytail, and she has a little gold bow. Her outfit is gorgeous, with sparkly sheer sleeves, faux fur trim, and gold details. And of course, skates! And now, it's time to make an ice rink for our skaters. I'm using a simple white plastic placemat as the base. I'm applying a thin layer of silver paint on top. It's really important to keep it very thin and even. If there's too much paint, I just wipe it off with the tissue. In some areas, I'm adding a little more paint with light strokes to create a slightly darker effect. I wrap the tissue around my finger and gently drag it across the surface to create skate marks. And just like that, we have our ice rink surface. Now I'm adding a little snow around the edges. I'm using white cotton and gluing small pieces along the border. Perfect! Let's place the rink in the center. I'm adding a few snowflakes. And it's done! Our skaters are ready to step onto the ice. What a beautiful performance. But let's not forget, besides the Olympic Games, this is also a special time of year. Valentine's Day is coming. And I think there's nothing more romantic than a date on the ice. So, let's make that happen. I'm using some cardboard from the packaging as the base for the skate rental booth. I'm marking the cardboard and cutting off the extra parts. From another piece of cardboard, I'm cutting out the base for the floor. For the walls and the floor, I'm using wood pattern paper to make the booth look warm and cozy. I'm attaching the floor and the roof using hot glue. And here's what we have so far. I cut out some small shelves from cardboard. I'm covering them as well and attaching them to the wall. This will also include a little area for snacks and hot drinks. I'm taking a piece of cardboard and cutting only one side so it can fold and turn into a little table. I'm covering it and placing it inside the booth. On the walls, I'm adding 2 price signs, one for skate rentals and one for snacks and drinks. And of course, we can't forget the Valentine's decorations. I'm gluing some string along the sides of the booth and clipping these little hearts onto it. Let's put the booth in place. I'm placing the drink and snack menu board on the counter. For sweets, I'm using heart-shaped donuts and cupcakes from Miniverse Make It Mini with Love. And for heart-shaped cookies, I'm using these little candies. Let's put the donuts on the shelf in the back. I'll place 2 cups here for hot drinks. It's also a skate rental booth. Of course, we need skates! For the skates, I'm using thin white cardboard. I'm taking a winter boot and tracing the sole. Now I'm drawing the skate blade to match the size of the sole. I cut out the blade. Then I trace it 6 times on the cardboard. I cut out all the pieces and glue them together in sets of 3 to make them thicker. Now I attach the 2 finished blades to the cut-out soles. I'm coloring both skate bases with a silver acrylic marker. I add double-sided tape to the base and stick it onto the boot. And here are the skates! I made a few pairs. Let's place them on the shelf. And here, I want to create a little romantic spot for our couple. I'm using some cardboard from the packaging and tracing this stencil twice. I'm cutting out these pieces. Then I cover them with small pieces of newspaper to add texture and make the cardboard stronger. All set! Once everything is dry, I gently smooth out the edges with a nail file. Now I'm painting the pieces with brown acrylic paint. While they're drying, I'm painting some coffee stir sticks with gold paint. I'm gluing the sticks onto the sides, leaving a small gap between them. And we have a cute little bench. I think everything is ready for the date. Hi! You're already here! I feel like something's missing. Of course, on a romantic day like this, you can't show up empty-handed. Let's put together a beautiful bouquet. I'm putting the flowers together, wrapping them in pretty pink paper, and adding a ribbon with little hearts. It looks so cute! Now all that's left is to wait for your Valentine. Where is she? I think I know. Everyone wants to surprise their special someone on Valentine's Day, and sometimes getting ready takes time. For example, knitting a warm scarf for someone you love. A handmade gift from the heart will always keep you warm, even if it's not perfect, right? And the long-awaited moment is finally here. They exchange gifts, a loving look, a snowy but warm day, just the 2 of them. And of course, hot drinks to make the date even cozier. Oh, wait, we need to add one more thing. I am carefully cutting the sticks for the pop cakes and placing them into a little glass jar. Now we have a whole jar of marshmallows for the hot drinks. This is going to make the date even sweeter. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone! Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye!